Good morning everyone. Welcome to part 2 of OpenCV tutorial series. Now create a file video.py. Now importing the modules. Import CV2. Now getting a hold of video. CV2.video capture. You can pass 0 for camera, and to read a file, pass file name. Now displaying the video. While true, we have to read frame by frame. So RET, frame is equal to video.read. Now displaying the frame. CV2.im show video frame, which is the name of the window, and frame. Now we will put a condition to exit, just like we learned in the last video. But for video, we have to keep wait key of 1, not 0, but 1. Now destroying all the video and releasing the capture of the video. So vid.release and cv2.destroy all windows. It's perfect. Now I want to save the captured video to a file. So we have to first write the codec. So 4cc is equal to, 4cc stands for 4 code codec, is equal to cv2.video write underscore 4cc xvid. For output we will be using video writer. So out is equal to cv2.video writer output underscore file dot avi. We will set FPS as 20.0. Now we have to pass width, height. Remember, width, height. So we will be passing 640, 480. Now writing the frame to the output file, out.write of frame. And at last releasing the whole of the output file, the out.release. Now let's play. see the output file is generated. Here is the output file. So this is the whole code. You will be able to find it on the GitHub.
Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next part by subscribing to the channel and turning the notifications on so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Till then, have a great day.